coming at you from Yokohama, Japan. My name is Dave, and this is an event called Nostalgic 2 Days.
There's a rope there for a reason, buddy. How much tread do you want at the back?
Tread? How much?
315 3018. That's an S660, yeah. The reason I know that is because there's the Hayabusa engine. What is that, an S12? The original rubber. Why is the steering wheel on the wrong side? An R30 or an R31? Yep. Beautiful color. It's like a dark, it appears to be blue, but it on camera kind of shows up purple. I mean, shit, do you think it's turbo? Not really sure. How much intercooler do you want? All of it. Carbon fiber fan. It was a joke. Intercooler あるからすごいでかくてすいません。I'm like, do you think it's turbo? And he's like, yeah, it's turbo. It says here. It's like, the big intercooler gave it away.
Sarcasm is dead.
And the steering wheel's on the wrong side?
It's not on any side, it's going to be in the middle.
Well, it's hanging from the roof. Every time I see the word lobster, I think of lobster magnet. You don't know lobster magnet?
No.
Google it. I want to touch it. Oh, I was going to say, everybody's touched them and now you have on your hand. There's a whole bunch of shit I don't need. Is that an N360? N600. Why is there a giant no smoking sign right there, but it stinks of cigarettes right here? Oh wait, the smoking area. Oh, that's perfect. That's really nice. Woo. Wow. Carbon fiber velocity stacks. Battery is in an interesting location. Dude's touching everything. What the f?